Hello everyone. This is the temporary sewage treatment plant in Wuhu district. I am the general person in charge of the equipment for this project. The plant was built in April last year and put into operation in June. Our factory uses RAETTS blowers, with a total of 5 units installed, and then adopts the operation mode of 4 in use and 1 in standby. When I first came to this factory last year, I was new to this RAETTS turbo blower, because I was not very familiar with the operating conditions and operation of the equipment. Some failure conditions occurred, including surge at startup. Later, I contacted the after-sales service of RAETTS, and they handled it very well and arrived in a timely manner. The aeration capacity of this RAETTS blower is very sufficient, according to the current operating conditions. Then reasonably adjust the number of starts of the blowers. RAETTS blowers are perfect.